Hello. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create and manage landing pages in Hubspot CRM. It's pretty simple. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch any browser of your choice. Okay, first off, launch your web Hubspot account. But if you do not, I'm going to show you how you can create one. So launch any browser of your choice, and once you launch any browser, go ahead and locate the search bar of your browser. In the search bar, type hubspot.com. That's going to take you to the official website for HubSpot. Once again, to the website, check the top right corner of your screen where you find the Get CRM Free button. So click that and fill through the on-screen prompt to sign in using an existing account or to sign up by creating a new account. All right, so after signing in successfully, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a couple features to have an exciting time in HubSpot. Now that we're here, let's hop into today's text, which is how to create and manage landing pages in HubSpot. From this homepage, check the top corner of your screen and find a couple options: contact, conversations, marketing, sales, commerce, service automation, and reporting. So head over to marketing and you're going to find this extended menu that has ads, email, landing pages, website, social, SEO, campaigns, design tools, and forms. Head over to landing pages and it's going to take you to this window where you're going to have to get started if you have not started at all. So this is my website and my page is going to be Amy Books. So I'm going to click on create page, and once I click on create page, you're going to see that that landing page is definitely going to be created. So now you have starter template. So what kind of template do you want to choose for this landing page? Okay. So you have a sign up for newsletter, that's the architecture. So I can click on select template or preview template. So I'm going to click on select template. Let's see how that works for me. So this is the page editor. That's fine. Okay, so I'm just going to go the way back. That's the onboarding process, but this is pretty much it. This is what my landing page looks like. So if I want to, okay, so if I want to edit, so click on any of the options, right? And click on this edit model. You will now be able to edit what is in this model. All right, so this is like rich text content. So close the expanded view. So this is the context. So click on that and change, edit if you want to. You have this as well. So click on this and click on this pencil. You have this option here. Head over to the left corner and select the context or the content style. So this is so no form selected. Okay, that's just for something else. So you can select the form if you want to add a form here. So I have forms, so I can just select any of the forms that I have saved there. So this form is here. You can click on the form title if you want that, but that space is for forms. So you can click on here and you will be good to go. Now, I want to publish, but it says page title required and content with temporary content slot can be published. So I'm going to click on page title and then over here to where I can. So let's say Amy for you. Okay. So I'm going to click on that publish and says one of your models has incorrect information. Please sure you've completed any required field. Okay. So ensure that you have. All right. So what are the required fields? Just like having to explore all this content. So let's head over to content and see there's optimize option if you want to optimize and test. Okay, the silent navigator. Okay. All right, so whatever it is, you should be able to find the So this is for mobile and this is for phone. So it says one of your models. So whatever models that is. So let's say, for example, is the form or say create better content assistant. No, I don't want to. I just want to leave it the way it is. I want to like edit this. Okay. Trying to definitely figure out. Let's say I'm deleting this model. Drag and drop models here. So I just don't want drag and drop models here. So here, you can even add an image here if you want to. Let me click on publish again to see. Okay, it has an incorrect, so it hasn't. Okay, so just go ahead and just keep trying and ensure that the models actually have correct information. All right, so ensure that it has correct information. And once you do that, you'll be able to publish. So go ahead and click on preview to see what it looks like. This is exactly what it looks like. So I'm going to head over to back. Okay, so I'm exiting this editor and heading over to the landing page. So you see that this has been created here. I can finish my content setup. Let's say I have like 4 over 10. So that's pretty much it. So from here, you can now manage it. This is domain. You can check the domain and check the publish status. All right, I'm just going to click on cancel. These are more filters that will help you navigate this. Then click on actions to edit column, export all pages, and to view folders. I can even head over here to create a new um, folder or to create a new landing page. So that's pretty much the process. You can go back to the tutorial to get acquainted with the steps. And once you're done, you'll be good to go. This is how you can create and manage landing pages in Hubspot CRM. I hope this tutorial marvelously helps you search.